disconnected from Anydesk network, right? How you can fix this? If you're facing this issue again and again, then this video might help you. So what you have to do, you have to just press Ctrl plus R or Start plus R on your keyboard, or you can just go to the search bar and look for Run, and now open it up. Now here what you have to type percentage, let me take it here, and app data, right? Make sure it is in small case, right? App data and again percentage and click on OK. So it will redirect you this page here. Now you will find this option of Anydesk. So you have to just open this and you will see a lot of option. So what you have to do, you have to delete this complete folder. Yes, and once you delete all this complete folder and just try to reopen your Anydesk and re-login into this, and then your problem might get fixed. So this is only one way to fix this issue. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.